guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Cooking. Today I am going to be making sticky Chinese pork belly. It is a new recipe to me that I'm trying out, so I hope I will report what I think of it. For the first part of the recipe, which is the slow cooked part, you need pork belly. So I will be using, obviously not the whole piece. I am going to be cutting off about 2.5 pounds, and then the rest of it I'm gonna share a different recipe, so stay tuned for that. Then you need about 3 garlic cloves, about a thumb size of ginger, a tablespoon of sugar, about a tablespoon of rice wine, and I picked this up at a local Asian store. And then I have you need about 4¼ cups of chicken stock or broth, and I have my homemade stuff. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add all the slow cooked ingredients in my cast iron, and then I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to place a lid on it and let it simmer for about 2 hours. So let's head on over to my pot. Okay, so I am using my big cast iron pot, and then I have measured out my stock and it was supposed to be hot, so I'm going to add that in here. Turn my stove on, and then here's my meat. It was cut up. And then I cut my garlic in half, and I sliced the ginger. And now I'm adding a tablespoon of rice wine and a tablespoon of sugar, and I'm going to mix it up and bring it to a boil. So it has come to a boil. Now I'm going to turn my stove down and cover it, and I'm going to let it simmer for 2 hours. I'm gonna set my Siri to I'm gonna set a reminder on my Siri. Can you set a timer for 2 hours? Hey Siri.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Set a timer for 2 hours.
Okay, your reminder is set for today.
Hey Siri. Set a timer for 2 hours.
Okay, your timer is set for 2 hours.
So while my meat is simmering, I need, the recipe calls for lemongrass paste. I could not find lemongrass paste, but I did find a recipe. Now there's a couple different versions of it. I just picked the one that fit what I had at home. So I have cut up some lemongrass, 2 stalks. Then you need about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Mine are giant, as you can see. Shallots, or I mean spring onion, not shallots, spring onion, and then you also need ginger. So I will put all this in, and then in my food processor, and then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. So I have drained the pork. I'm going to cut it into bite-sized pieces before I put it in my wok that I'm gonna add oil to, and I'm gonna put it on the highest heat it goes on. And then I'm going to mix up my glaze as well while the pork is cooking, and I also put some rice on. So for the glaze, you need 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemongrass, and thumb size ginger that I'm gonna shred into it. So I'm going to mix it all together, and you also need 1 red chili, but I'm gonna put some red chili flakes. So here it is, and I'm going to turn my wok on to high sear. I'm going to add some olive oil, and I'm going, while that's heating up, cut up my pork. So I have added my meat, and I'm going to cook it until I'm gonna add salt and pepper, and then I'm going to cook it until it starts turning golden, and then I'm gonna add my little sauce. So this is just about done, and I will be adding the sauce in now. Here it is, over rice. You can also put some like bok choy, or even some more spring onion if you'd like. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming recipes. And make sure you stay tuned for that homemade bacon recipe coming your way.